Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix your dryer no heat issue. Problem with my dryer is it was going on for about I don't know 6 months. First it was like you have heat and then rarely no heat, and then it started going to like more often. It's like every other low heat, no heat, and it's like, what is it? I checked my sensors once with a tool. I just checked, make sure maybe they're open, maybe they're out. I checked them twice, still nothing. I'm like, what is going on? So I'm like, and then eventually it's just, it came from heat, no heat to completely no heat. You turn the dryer on and it's running, but flame, it would not turn on the flame. How do I know when the flame is on or not? You see that right there, that plastic thing pops out, and you can actually see it on the inside when you turn the dryer on. There's a glow plug that becomes red hot, and then the valve's supposed to open up and the gas flowing and it ignites the gas. Well, I can see the igniter or the glow plugs, whatever you want to call it, turning red, but no flame. I'm like, that's something is going on. So I'm like, what is it? I'm like, all the sensors are good. So I'm like, okay. I'm like thinking, I'm not paying for a repairman to come in and charge me, over $100 to fix this. I'm like, $10 part. I know they have to make living, but if I can fix it myself, I'll do it myself. If I was rich, had maybe 1 million subscribers, then it would be probably a different story. But this is what I did. After trying everything, I'm like, okay, there has to be a quick fix solution. And the problem was coil valves, gas coil valves. Those things failed completely. At first, it was on and off, and then it failed, would not open at all. And this is it. This is the thing like made in Mexico, and what, $10 for two or so, maybe 12. But it fixed the issue. Now I can turn my gas dryer on and I have heat. That's it. That was a quick kind of fix. So if you have that issue on and off with the heat, replace your coils. And I'll post the link so you can get those coils pretty cheap actually. But you want to make sure you know exactly which part number. You open up the door, and there inside your gas dryer model, you go by the model number, you search it, and you find which coils you need, and you replace those coils, and that's it. And how to take it apart depends on the model. Quite simple. There's a lot of videos how to do it, or you can figure it out on your own. If you can fix the cars, you can fix this stuff too, based on some other videos. And based on my video, what I showed you, the gas coil valves went bad, and simple, and saves you hundreds of dollars. Or someone might say, you should have just replaced the gas dryer. Well, to replace the gas dryer, for me it's a lot of work. I can't just get it out. I gotta cut a hole in the wall, because previous owner did things. You can't remove stuff. You gotta create a hole in the wall to remove stuff. So drop me in the comment section how you fix your dryer if you ever had the issue, or you paid someone. You know what I mean? I want to hear your story. Drop in the comment section, or maybe you never had an issue with the dryer. So I would like to hear back from you. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.